How's it going, YouTube? It's Angel Barber back with another video. Today I'm bringing you a burst fade tutorial with the V in the back. So as you saw, we're getting right into it. We're starting off with our number 3 guard, debulking everything. Just giving it shape and kind of flicking out everything, just so you know all we have to do next is just fade into the number 3. Now we're going to set our first initial guideline. So with our lever closed, no guard, we're going to set in that bald line. And I like to go from the middle of the C cup and then using the ear as another guideline, the earlobe, and that's how we do it. And then we kind of arc, you know, to give it that burst effect. My client does like it a little bit more, the burst effect more towards the back, kind of blending it into the V. So if you see that it's more like a, I wouldn't say a mohawk, but sort of like a mohawk but still in a burst effect, then it's that's his preference. Then you see we go in with the liners and then just make sure we bald it out. Then with our no guard lever open, we're going to set our second initial guideline going about 1 inch. And you see I'm using the corner of my blade a lot. This is a key for that burst effect, especially when you arc it. You don't want to use your whole blade because you will bring the fade high and eventually just create lines you don't want to create. Now with our lever closed, we're just knocking out that guideline we had just made using the corner of our blade as well, and just lever plane as we need. Then with our 1 guard open, we're going to create our third initial guideline going up about 1 inch and flicking out at the top. As you see, flicking out will just help you speed up the process on blending and make it easier for you when we go in with the number 2. Then with our half closed, using the corner of our blade, we're gonna take out that 1 guideline, just lever plane as well as we need to. Now we go in with our number 2 open, and just what we're doing here is just not setting in a guideline, more like blending the 1 to the 3, and all we're doing is flicking out, you know, getting that transition we need. We go back with our 1 just to detail more, get any dark spots out, and just flicking out as well, you know, getting all those little minor details that need to be made. I know YouTube, the autofocus is killing me as well. I didn't know this until I literally saw the footage, but hey, we're working with what we got and it happens, you know. It's not the whole video, it's just a few seconds, so hope you guys don't mind. Now with our half guard, we're just doing the same thing, just detailing some work, taking any dark spots out, just using the corner of our blade, lever plane as we need as well, and yeah. Now with the corner of our blade, with our trimmers, we're going to do the C-cups, creating that arc and give it that finished look we want. Now all we're gonna do now is just begin to detail a little bit more with our no guard, and eventually, you know, just probably snapping on some other guards like the half and one, and just detail any dark spots and see what we can perfect. And obviously YouTube, what you do to one side, you do it to the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this fast forward for you guys. Now we're just V'ing the back out, doing like a wide V. And like I mentioned, I do use the earlobes as a guideline to know where to start, so everything could be even and eventually meet in the middle. So you just want to have a guideline, you know, either the earlobe, either the top of his ear, you know, how no matter what, just have a guideline or a reference point. That way you have a consistent line and a consistent V. Alright YouTube, that was the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching the burst fade tutorial. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Thank you guys again for helping me reach 200 subscribers. Let's keep killing it. If you guys want more videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, everything. You know what to do. It's Angel Barber, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you guys.